I just left Trader Joe's, and so I'm going to share with you my favorite items from Trader Joe's. I have 6 or 8 items that I buy almost every time I go in this grocery. And if you have a Trader Joe's in your area, you know that they have a lot of items that you don't find in the big chain groceries, and that makes it a lot of fun to go shopping for groceries because you're going to run across new things to put in your pantry and your freezer. And this grocery is not as convenient to our home as the one that we have in South Florida. So in South Florida, I buy almost the same thing every time I go in if they have it in stock. And that's the secret to shopping at Trader Joe's, is finding what you like, and then you might buy up 2 or 3 of one item, because everybody seems to have their favorite items, and when they find it, they do stock up. So these items that I have, a lot of them need to go in the freezer because it is blazing hot outside, and I'm going to take them home and put them in the freezer. But you're going to go with me because I'm going to share with you my favorite items to buy at Trader Joe's. Okay, so I want to share with you the items that I consistently buy at Trader Joe's. Each time I go in, I look for these items, and like I've said, they're not always there, but when they are, I buy them up. And so the first item is the pappardelle pasta. It's the Trader Joe's brand of pappardelle, and I absolutely love the texture and the flavor of this pasta. This is a it's not a 1 pound, it's an 8-ounce package. And let's see, it is 8-ounce package of, is $1.99. So $1.99 for 8 ounces, and it is incredible. It's perfect for a bolognese sauce. It is wonderful. A heavy sauce works great on pappardelle. And then I have one of my favorites, and it's so delicious. It is the Trader's mushroom ravioli with mushroom truffle sauce. You do not have to serve anything else with this. Maybe a salad, but you don't have to have a meat. If you're not a meat lover, you will love this as a full meal. And this is a 1 pound package. It is, let's see, $3.49 for this 1 pound package, and it will serve 2 people. But I'm going to get a pair of scissors. Hold on 1 second. I'm going to show you. Sorry about that. Okay, there. Let's open it and I'll show you what it looks like. I'm going to take them out. This is the size of a pasta. They're not enormous, but they are full of the mushroom ravioli and truffle sauce. And the truffle sauce is in here. It's not a separate package. It is the sauce. I'll show you if I can find it. This is the sauce. It's frozen in little chunks, and you only add a couple tablespoons of water, and you can make it in a skillet, and that sauce is so delicious. So you're going to love that. I hope, because I do. Maybe give it a try if you haven't tried it. Then I have something that I think everybody's going to love. It is the Trader Joe's Gone Bananas dark chocolate covered banana slices. And these, I think they are packaged for children, but who doesn't like chocolate covered fruit? So I go for it because it is one of those treats that you can imagine being as healthy as possible. It's fruit with just a little bit of chocolate, just dipped in chocolate, and it's yummy. And let's see, it is pretty low in fat. It's 5 pieces, it's 3.5 grams of fat. That's not horrible. I mean, you know, considering what you could eat. And these are $1.99. How many pieces do you get in here? I've never counted them. But it's 8 ounces at $1.99. And if that's not great, this is even better. This is the Gone Berry Crazy strawberries. There's chocolate covered strawberries, and they are so good. And they're also one of those foods that you can consider healthy-ish. It's 5.3 ounces, and they are $2.29, and they're delicious. And there's the bananas, and there are the strawberries. They're cute, and everybody loves them. Children and adults love them. Then, one of my all-time favorites. This actually is the first item I ever bought at Trader Joe's, and I've bought it ever since. It is the mandarin orange chicken. Oh my goodness, it is so delicious. If you are an Asian food lover or not, you're going to love this because it has that wonderful mandarin orange flavor. This is 22 ounces, 1 pound 6 ounces, and it was $4.99, and it easily feeds 2 people. You could divide it out and feed 3 or 4 people because I serve it over rice. You can either use jasmine rice or you can use just plain white rice. And I'm going to open it and show you something. Just serve it over rice, and it's a very simple meal. It doesn't take but a few minutes to cook. It comes with a, let's see if we get it, with chicken nuggets. Now that's I think that's 2 stuck together. That's an exceptionally large one. Let me show you a normal size. Then I'll put all this back in the freezer. There. They're bite size. And then when you're cooking them, you have the mandarin orange sauce that you pour over it, and it is unbelievable. You are going to thank me for this later after you've tried it. But I have one more item that I want to show you, and I couldn't find it this trip to Trader Joe's. I have found it in the past, so I have some in the freezer. So hold on one second, I'll be right back. I had these in the freezer because I bought them last time I was in Trader Joe's, and they didn't have them this time, and they're supposed to be getting them in the next few days. But I thought I would show you what I do have. They've been opened, so there's not a full box here. This is the Hold the Cone ice cream cones. This is the vanilla, and it has those wonderful waffle cones with vanilla ice cream and then chocolate coating. And you can see how they're packaged. There are only 4 of the 8. There are usually 8 in here, but we are down to 4. And look at this, aren't they cute? The waffle cone, vanilla ice cream, and chocolate. And they're perfect for children. If you don't have children, they're perfect for adults as well. And they allow you to eat an ice cream without overindulging, or you can eat them all if you want, which I can see that happening because they're so good. But they come packaged like this, and if you get a chance, look for them in all this in the freezer section except the pasta, and look for them and let me know what you think about these items. And also, if you have a favorite Trader Joe's item, please let me know, because I enjoy going to the grocery, and especially Trader's, because when I'm out of town for a long period of time and I need to restock, I like to just wander up and down the aisles and find new things to try. So you tell me what you want me to try and I will pick it up and give it a whirl. But this is the Hold the Cone ice cream. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, tap that subscribe button and I'll let you know each time I post a new video. And follow me on Instagram. Bye.